Hey everybody, I am gonna unveil the new Amazon Halo View fitness tracker with color display. Includes heart rate, activity, and sleep tracking. It Well, let's get into it. But it goes with Headspace, Better Sleep, Orange Theory, Weight Watchers. I'm just gonna talk and open this Amazon package up. I got it on a Black Friday deal for $55 with tax, and now it sits at $80. So this is what the package looks like. Halo View. It's more than a band. So it'll track your activity, movement, sleep, and it's good with iOS or Android with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Touch color display, swim proof, and 7-day battery life, which significantly better than the Apple iWatch that I currently have. So let's open this thing up here. Here it is. So it's obviously got like some sort of paper display of what it's gonna look like. Take that off. Welcome to Halo. So it's a pretty thin band. It's one of those, like, I don't know if you can see it, those snap-on bands. So I mean, as far as a wristband goes, is going to be, in comparison to an Apple iWatch, at least half as small. It's supposed to be touchscreen. It probably needs to be plugged in. You can see like the heart rate monitor. The band can be changed here and here. So this is what charges the Halo device. So I'm guessing that'll kind of clip in like that. And then it's so you can kind of see the clip. And then this will just be a USB port to put into some sort of charger. So let's see. Let's get this health party started. The home sensor, charger, and band. There's an app on your phone or links to Bluetooth, and you can swipe left and right to cycle through your current health status, swipe up and down for health data, alarms, timers, exercise tracking, and more. You can tap the home button to wake the screen or go back. Over here, you can see how quickly it's charging when it is charging. Enable Bluetooth, download the Amazon Halo app to see your exercise goals. It has a movement assessment to personalize your improvement, and there's a growing library of premium workouts and activity points during the day. As a Halo member, you have access to the full suite of Halo tools and designs to help you reach your fitness and wellness goals, healthier habits, and troubleshooting. You can go to this website. Very small fine print for the rest of the stuff. So as far as like first impressions go, it's very thin and light. It's probably not even going to be noticeable on the wrist itself. We'll see how well the battery life holds up. I'm hoping the 7 days does turn out well. I need to charge it to really see what it's going to look like, but it seems pretty simple to use and all touch screen and stuff like that. I'm excited to swim with it and that it's waterproof, and the band is pretty, I don't know, it seems kind of cheap, so I might change the band a little bit, but the rest of this, I mean, for $55 on Black Friday, I think this is going to be a pretty good activity monitor, so we'll just see how it goes. All right, well, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.